Hello folks, Colin here. I am in my workshop in Birmingham Jewellery Quarter. I'll do a ring with this sapphire. Marquise yellow sapphire. It's very clean, very nice color, very nice yellow. Is not orangish. I'll make the ring, more or less. Sapphire in the middle, and some diamonds around. I mixed some metals. Gold melted. I have the ingot. In rolling mill, I'll do the shapes what I need for the ring. The ring for the ring, the ring for the ring, no, the bezel. The bezel for the sapphire, and the hollow for the diamonds. Needs a ring. This is a ring for my ring. More or less the ring is this. Quite solid. Cage for the sapphire. I try to make it quite solid, but at the same time to hide this cage to show only the sapphire. And I try to fix it to see more the sapphire and less metal. Muy bien. This is the wire what I use to polish when I don't have access with the polishing machine. Before mounting the sapphire, I polish everything to look nice. the hollow for the diamonds. This is the hollow for the diamonds. The hollow is more or less 3 mm because the diamonds is 2.5. This is a sapphire, and the diamonds are mounted not horizontal, a little oblique, to look like a castle. Don't look like flat ring. Very nice. More or less, this is the position of the bezel in the ring. The ring is ready. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you like it. See you next time. This is everything.